So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the comfort strap for the BeyerDynamic DT series headphones. First you'll need the main strap as well as 2 of the retaining clips. A third one will be included if you purchased it from our store, as well as a sticker, which is nice. So first thing you want to do is take your strap and wrap it around what I call the adjustment arm. So this part would be considered the yoke, and this part up here would be considered the adjustment arm. You want to make sure that the bevel side is down, because that has the textured side, which I believe is the most comfy, though it works either way. The big important thing is that when you're putting the clips on, you want to make sure that the beveled side of the strap matches the beveled side of the clips, which you can see easily if you reflect the light at an angle. So you'll want to put one side on first and then push it over the other side. It's kind of difficult, but it will come on. If you force it, it will fit. If you do end up breaking apart, though I doubt you will, go ahead and reach out to us and we can send you a new one, assuming that you purchased it from us. Okay. That one, and yada yada. Like I said, it's kind of hard, but it has to be hard, or else when you pull on it, it will come off. There we go. Alright, so you can pull on it and it won't come off because it's nice and tight. Alright, and that's how you install the comfort strap.